Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin futures moved higher this week. There was an attempt to break out above this zone where the market's been in consolidation mode for a while. There was some supply drawn out this week. You can see that with the close off the week's high. And that may see the market, at least initially next week, just come back and test for supply within this week's bar's range. And then there'll be a response depending on how much supply is drawn out as price pulls back. If supply is found to be low, there may be a secondary attempt to push higher. And if supply continues to be drawn out, you'll likely see price pull back a little more deeply within this zone where the market's been consolidating over the last few weeks. You'll note that last week's bar did look like there was some weakness emerge, but the response this week suggests that last week's bar was an absorption bar. Price moved up, buying the offer, then faded lower, and this week price has just pushed up within the range of last week's bar, closing right at its high. So this was an absorption bar, and this was the response higher. And you may get that again following a test for supply. A push higher and then a fade lower in response. Markets can move in that sort of fashion and grind their way higher over time.